kick it, Jackie Chan.
Welcome to day 10 of the summer vlogs, August vlogs. It's about 1:30. I don't know, it's a bit later because I had a lie-in today, finally. In this like throw over pink thing and my bikini's underneath. And we're going to the beach. Woo! So yeah, that's basically all we're doing today. I think we're going out for tea later. Yes. So yeah, enjoy the vlog. Hopefully I'll try and vlog more today because literally I have not vlogged like properly for like days. And it's because I've been too hot, being just so unmotivated. It's unbelievable. It's so hot here. It's like 30 degrees plus every day, and it gets really hot from 12 till 5, and that's literally when I'm out. We're walking to the beach, sleeping at the bottom, and it is so hot. It's currently 32 degrees, not the hottest. Vlog like this, yeah, I've had like, this is basically just my like holiday vlogs just started now.
Oh, I can see you subscribers today.
Oh yeah, she reached swimming some.
Thank you with any like.
I haven't got any. I literally filmed my main channel in literally months, and I haven't got any pre-filmed videos. So sorry, main channel, you're not going to get any videos for a while. By the way, these are my new sliders. I think they're men's.
Yeah, you can tell by the way. Yeah, what they fit you lengthways, but then they're too like wide because men have wide feet.
And I have really narrow feet too, so yeah. And I also have quite small feet for my height. I'm only size 6. You're like a size 5.
Yeah, we have pretty much the same
5.5,
so
we're like
fit the same shoes.
You're like half my size.
Yeah.
And loads of my height have like size 8.
She fits in these. I fit in them, but like my feet.
I have tiny feet and narrow feet. Yay. Oh, I'm so hot already. I'm already sweating.
Sorry for the delay. I'm meant to vlog in every one of Jodie's August vlogs, but I've not been.
She hasn't.
I've been struggling to do my own vlogs, to be honest. So, and I've got literally no storage. I don't know how I'm going to get these vlogs uploaded, but I'm going to figure it out.
Still, I'm going to fix that.
Yeah, I know, but because some vlogs are so long, it still uses a lot of storage having just videos on there.
I never have that problem.
Like, I've got about 10, no, about...
Isn't yours 32 gigabytes? 6
or so videos on there that need vlogs that I need to get uploaded. 300 subscribers today, so if any of my subscribers are watching this, thank you all so much. Love you all. All right, yeah, I can tell. What are those? I wasn't recording. What are those?
What are yours? Sliders. Not the beach, it's a different one.
Tomorrow we're going to get a load of it. Yeah, we're going to use the GoPro tomorrow and get both of us get some good. Pain. Bella. Mom. What? Yeah, I seen that. That's one I seen over by the rocks over there. Jodie, come closer a bit. There's about fine. There's about fine. This will be a good thumbnail, Jodie. I'll make a thumbnail. I made a thumbnail for the vlog. Do something, Jodie, for your viewers. Jodie, do something for your viewers. Do something for your viewers.
Do something, hold on.
I know they can see like that it's like really.
Oh, I just saw it. Right, what should I do?
Do you like a front flip or something?
I just tried the other one off because it fell off and I couldn't bother taking this one off. Yo guys, sorry I haven't vlogged since, but I cut my knee on a rock. Really hurt. And yeah, I blame Kira. She did technically make me go to the rock and wouldn't help me out. Yeah, I was bleeding like that before, but it's all good now. Bitten before as well. And it was really stinging. I don't know if it was a bite or whatever. But yeah, today I've just been like having like an injury day. Like I keep hurting myself. Yeah. Oh my god, these braces. I noticed this tooth is like out of line. I hope I didn't have to have a tooth out. Guys, clap tea. It's very nice. I've got some chips side and then this burger, it's really good. It's amazing. It was sharing a salad.
I have a big salad.
This bread is so hard to eat with braces, it's like hard.
What did you say that was?
Got so much food.
Olive oil and what are those two,
This is
Kira?
insane though, really good. Kira's just decided to go down the slide. Don't know if it's a flash. Yeah, the flash is on. Go on.
I'm gonna go down this one. I'm gonna go down the. Oh, wearing a skirt was not a good idea.
This flash is rubbish.
Right, I'll go down the yellow one now.
You're such a freak. Oh yeah, guys, I got the dress on by the way.
Look, 8 years old.
Oh yeah.
I'm 14, so.
It's in Croatian though. Don't understand it.
Ow.
On Kira.
Ready?
Yeah. Go on, little 8-year-old. Hey guys, I'm gonna end the vlog now. This vlog's been pretty decent. It's probably the best out of all these holiday vlogs. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.